Hi all, I just wanted to get on and tell you about the limited time shooting fireworks bundle that MacPhun is offering right in the time for shooting your fireworks on the 4th of July weekend. Hopefully you've gotten to this page from my blog, but if not, I'll have a link underneath the video to my blog entry that describes this package in detail and actually has the links on how to get it. But let's just go over to my desktop here. What comes with the Shooting Fireworks Bundle is you will get the Creative Kit 2016. You will get the Fireworks Bundle in addition to the Creative Kit. So let's see, the Creative Kit from MacPhun includes Focus CK, FX Photo Studio CK, Intensify, Noiseless CK, Snap Heal, Tonality, and well, that's the uninstall. You don't need that. So we'll just deal with these 6 apps is what's part of the Creative Kit. And so in addition to that, you're going to get the bonus items, which include the Shooting Fireworks presets, which will help you enhance your fireworks shots. They have them for Intensify CK and Noiseless CK. So you use it in Intensify to bring out your fireworks shots, and in Noiseless, as with most night shots, there's always going to be a little bit of noise in the picture because you usually have to shoot at a higher ISO. So that'll help you on that, and I got presets for that specifically made for fireworks. You'll also get 2 movies, Shooting Fireworks Part 1 and Part 2. And then in addition to that, you actually get two applications from Ultima software. Hopefully I said that right. Which is the photo bulk, which I will show you, and the uplet, which will let you upload to your Instagram account. But first, we'll show you the movies. We'll just get these out of the way. I'm actually going to go to just my desk. Well, nah, we'll just keep it this way. So let's go show you what the movies are. I'll just show you the titles because I can't show you too much of the movie. So the first one is creating how to actually take fireworks photos. It looks like the guy goes through the kind of equipment that you'd need, the settings that you might need to use, basically what you need to know to actually go and take a fireworks shot. And on the second part is post-processing with the MacPhun Creative Kit using the fireworks presets. So we'll get out of that. So I'll show you. I mean, I've loaded up Intensify and Noiseless. So we'll go into Intensify first because I've actually loaded up one of my fireworks shots that I took a few years ago. And once you've loaded the presets, they'll show up here under Custom. So I mean, by default, this is the default set of presets that come with Intensify. And you can even mark some of your favorites. In this case, I haven't because it's just a demo app. But it'll be under Custom. So you can go through each one of these and choose, just play with them really. So it's like that's Fireworks 1, that's Fireworks 2, that's Fireworks 3. I mean, you can see slight changes in each one. So just keep going through them until you find the one that looks like it's going to do the best for you. So just try them all out. But this just gives you an idea of what they might do. So let's just go back to Fireworks 1. Like on this one, like when I edited the picture before using Lightroom, I actually never knew that these were actually here. Intensify has actually brought those out to show me that they're there. But whatever setting that you end up picking, if you don't like how intense it is, like this is a little overkill, you can always bring the slider back and bring it back down until you get to a point that you like the photo. Like that's actually just too washed out. That's almost what the original looked like. So we'll bring it back up. And again, with like Intensify, the app that you can use, you can go and click that button and actually go through each individual setting that has been set and make adjustments. Since this is just going to be an overview video, I'm not going to really go into detail on any of this stuff. I'll be doing another Creative Kit demo at some other point in time, but I just wanted to show you what came with the bonus kits. So that's the filter or presets for Intensify. We won't save that, and we'll go show you what comes with the presets that come for noiseless. I've loaded up one of my other photos that I've done so far. So this one has 3 presets. Again, it's under custom, and like before, you just keep going, click on them until you see what you like. And this slider here, what this does is on the left side is your original, and on the right is the adjustment. Like on this case, it looks like it's blurring it way too much for my taste on this one, but I'll go back to Fireworks 2 to see what that looks like. And Fireworks 1. On this particular one, there's not too much noise in the black. I couldn't find one that actually had a lot of noise in it for this case. But if you look here, notice here the adjustments that you see here. See, that's a little bit noisy here, and then we'll slide it to the left, and it's not so noisy. And we'll just bring it back down and take a look at the whole thing. It's a little hard to tell on this particular image when it's in full screen mode, but if you go back up to the 200%, you'll see it make the adjustments like here when you slide it over. But again, just play with each one, see which one does the best job for you for reducing the noise. Like this one makes it way too blurry as far as I'm concerned. But when you zoom it back out, you can't tell the difference. It's got to depend upon how big you're going to end up printing this print. Like if I did 16 by 20, I wouldn't like this one. So I'll go back up to Fireworks 1. And again, you can adjust the intensity of the adjustment just by adjusting the slider. So we'll get out of that. So what else came with it? Like I said, we've already mentioned the presets for Intensify and Noiseless. You got the 2 movies that you've got on showing you how to shoot fireworks and then how to actually edit them in the MacPhun Creative Kit. And then you got the Photo Bulk and the Uplet app from Ultima software. But again, just go to my page. I may not be saying it right, but this gives you the complete details of what comes with it and how you can actually get the package. One thing I may not have mentioned before is if you already are a Creative Kit customer, you can get these bonus items separately. They're selling them for $29. And again, the link for that will be on my blog page for the Shooting Fireworks Bundle. Just go all the way to the bottom and it'll have a link down there for you. Let me just close this other way. So we'll try Photo Bulk first. This is something that you can actually apply to a series of photos. I've only got one that I'm going to do it to, but let me just drag it in here. I'll just drag the file over that I want to adjust, or if you did a whole folder, you could do a whole folder. Actually, let me just do my fireworks folder, see what it does. So it added 4 files. It's got the 4 fireworks plus the glow one. So you got the options. You can do a watermark, you can resize it, you can optimize it, and you can actually rename it, although I haven't tried the rename function, so I'm just going to get rid of that for now. And I don't want to resize these, so I'm just going to turn that option off. So I'll just do optimize and the watermark. Obviously, you can play with all these settings the way you want. I mean, this is what my watermark text is going to be. You can choose the font that you want to use. It's just, we'll choose that for now. I don't know. We'll see how it looks. But then you can drag around where you want the actual watermark to be. By default, it's the bottom right-hand corner. And then you can choose, if your font had different styles, you'd be able to choose that here. And how the opacity, you can change the opacity here. So this part's the watermark part. You can do an image, you can do a date stamp. I'm just going to do text in this example, and we're going to optimize JPEG because these happen to be JPEG images. I'm going to set it up for full. So if we're going to do 4 files at once, hence the bulk. We'll just choose Start. It asks me where you want to put it. I'm just going to save it to the desktop. And I haven't entered the code yet, so it's just going to do 1. So we'll close that out. But now here's my folder with my, see, it didn't do my fireworks because I haven't done those yet. So anyway, here's my 1 image with my watermark down at the bottom. So that's a handy little app. And then the last one is the Uplet, which is actually the one that I've been waiting to try and get. I've had a couple accounts with Instagram. I've got my American Kiwi photo one already, and that's the one I use on my phone primarily. But I also have the Mark Dodd photography one that I've actually just set up recently. Since the iPhone or the phone app only lets you connect to 1 account at a time right now, I haven't added any photos to my Mark Dodd photography Instagram account, just because I didn't want to go through the hassle of unlogging from 1 account and logging back into the other. So I'm actually quite happy that this app's come out. So you can either click the plus and locate the photo, or I believe you can actually drag it in. So I'm dragging this one in, and then you can actually just type your caption down at the bottom. So we'll type our text at the bottom, and we'll choose share. I actually haven't done this yet, so we'll see how it does. So we'll choose share. It's uploading the photo. It's in progress. I don't have the fastest internet connection at my house, so this may take a few moments. Alright, it says it was successful, so actually let's just bring up a web page here. It's coming up on my other screen right now, so give me a second here. I'm going to log into my Instagram account. And here's the photo I just uploaded with the Uplet app. Shows my photo. You got the typical square shape of Instagram, and it's got my title that I added at the bottom. So that works really well. I'm quite happy with that one. So, but again, it's like if you want to go to my blog, it's markdoddphotography.com. At the time of this writing, the post hasn't posted yet because I can't post it until tomorrow morning due to MacPhun's restrictions. But it'll be on the front page here, or it will also be under guidance as well. But just look for it on the front page. Actually, let me see if I can do a preview of what I've got here, just so you see what the page looks like. As soon as it loads, it's taking forever. Alright, so this is the page you want to look for. It's the Creative Kit Shooting Fireworks Bundle. It's only available June 28th through July 5th. Again, these, other than the Creative Kit itself, these are those bundles that I was talking about. You've got 8 presets in total for Intensify and 3 for Noiseless, and here's the 2 other packages that we ran over. And again, for those who are already Creative Kit owners, click on this link here and it'll add that bonus pack portion of this special to a MacPhun cart, so you can actually check out and get it for $29. I think if you're looking to do fireworks photos, I think this will help you out quite a bit. The tutorial video looks pretty good. The guy seems to give most of the hints that I would give. And then you can use the filters to improve your photos inside of Intensify and Noiseless. So thank you very much for watching, and please check out my blog, markdoddphotography.com. If you want to look at some of the pictures I have, the other site is AmericanKiwiPhoto.com, and you can actually get to it from here as well. Just go under my sister websites and go to American. Actually, widen the screen because it's off the screen here a little bit. So here, American Kiwi Photo, and then the American Kiwi Photo website. We'll just go there just to show you. This is a lot of the photos that I have for sale, like some of my recent ones that I've done. This was the Light City Baltimore event, some of those from there. And this is the Cherry Cheese Festival down in DC, Pagoda in Baltimore. But just peruse through my site if you wish, and then all the pricing is listed there. And that's just the base price for a print by itself, but you can get it in multiple formats. Just to show you, we'll click on this one. You got all kinds of formats. There's different stuff. You got bags. You can do greeting cards, iPhone cases. Wall art is stuff like canvas prints and everything like that. So there's a whole bunch of options that you can do. But anyway, back to the Creative Kit. So again, this is only available June 28th through July 5th. Includes Creative Kits, the 2 videos from Photo Focus, the 8 Intensify presets, the 3 Noiseless presets, and your Photo Bulk app and Uplet app from Ultima Software. Hopefully I'm saying that right, I'm not sure. But anyway, this one I was really happy to get because I've been waiting to do something like that for a while. So, but thank you very much for joining, and come on back because I'm always adding stuff to the site. Again, it's markdoddphotography.com.